And I mean, the allegations in here are just chilling. It's not like one person called him a workplace creep. Someone said that he was, and I'm quoting them, a possible future rapist. Another said she would leave her door open just to make sure and monitor that he wouldn't do anything inappropriate if he was with a student alone. She thought he was a sexual assaulter type. The university received at least 13 formal complaints, and the lawsuit says that the person who's in charge of handling these complaints, they never even reached out to Kohberger in person or virtually at all to have any type of conversation with him. The lawsuit also says that multiple students weren't satisfied with the way that the university was handling Kohberger. What do you make of that?
Well, it's going to be interesting to see as this lawsuit progresses. Did anything change at the university after Kohberger was arrested, after the murders? Did anything at the university, did anyone say, look, we have a system that's failed. We have a system that doesn't work when people are reporting things about potential problems with our students or staff or whoever it is. That's what's going to come out in this lawsuit is did the university do anything differently after this? Because according to the allegations, and again, the victims' families have to prove these in court, but clearly they've done a lot of digging. They've got some basis for these claims. And so you're just struck with the incompetence. You're just struck with the bureaucratic inactivity, people being more concerned about being sued than protecting. And again, the university has an obligation to protect its students. It's not just, a hope that somehow the students will be okay. The university has an affirmative obligation to protect its students. And when you have this many complaints, it'd be one thing if there were one or two complaints about Kohberger. I suppose administrators might brush those off, saying these are just, some kind of interpersonal situation. But when you have that level of complaints that the university had, according to the lawsuit, it's just staggering. And you just have to wonder who was making the decision as these complaints came in, who was making the decision to basically ignore them. And that's what's going to come out in this lawsuit.
The lawsuit